तो गाइज हम लोग अब बस सिम ले रहे हैं, अनलिमिटेड मिला है।
You know, we have every 100 meters this kind of.
ये So guys, so I finally reached Moscow and this is XP.
Whee! Protonics in Moscow.
So he is one of the oldest DJs. He was here back in Goa in the 90s.
Oldest and eldest.
No, but the youngest also with his energy. I've been having some great time with him and we are just exploring. This is my first day.
Actually, we are not in Moscow. We are in the Moscow suburban, which makes it more naturally beautiful. So next one you see from the riverside. Yeah? The future is now.
Yes, Balashikha. So we are in Balashikha right now, and wow, the weather is beautiful. So guys, आप लोग आओगे यहाँ पे तो स्कूटर ले सकते हो.
You know, we have every 100 meters this kind of.
Yeah.
I mean, and different designs. You see there, and you see there. This is what we call this area calling Broadway. You know, near the lake. And there is so many children things.
Wow.
We have this every.
And it's so clean. It's super duper clean, guys. एक रैपर नजर नहीं आ रहा मेरे को कहीं ना. And this is how. Yeah, not a one cigarette bud. And this is how a country should be. ये एक चीज़ है जो हमारे को सीखनी है, cleanliness. Because it's your own country and you gotta keep it clean.
Yes. So in Soviet Union was 15 republics, and after the Soviet Union crashed, and before everything, it was for like 60 years the Soviet Union. So everything was mixed, the culture and this, and especially the food. No, and there is a lot of people now living like here. Okay, many left, but many people living here for many years. They are from other republics. So here in this area, many of them open the business, and they have somebody have small shop like this. It's not from Armenia. There is the food from Belarus, the Belarusian shop. There is the Georgian people doing the barbecue. Azerbaijan people doing fruits.
Some tips and tricks from XP on traveling. So guys, हम वहाँ पे आए हैं अभी डोनट खाने. तो ये देखो ये मेन्यू लिखा है पूरा. समझ तो कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. But let's see how it's going to be. Wow, it's warm. So we're going to try some donuts.
Ponchik.
Ponchik. Wow. So good.
Yeah, there you go.
And it's warm.
So
Amazing.
let's try now top Russian ice cream. सब कुछ मिलेगा.
सब कुछ मिलेगा लेकिन रशिया में, इंडिया में नहीं. तो अभी हम बस आइसक्रीम खाने जा रहे हैं. लेट्स सी किस जगह दिख रही है. ओह वाह. अरे वाह भाई वाह. वाह. थैंक बाय. नमस्ते. तो गाइज हम लोग अब बस सिम ले रहे हैं. मेरे को तो मिलेगी नहीं तो हम XP के थ्रू ये कर रहे हैं काम. तो ये देखो ये प्राइस अनलिमिटेड मिला है 500. तो एक प्लान है ये, एक 500 का ये है 7